How to connect Apple CarPlay in a Honda Civic 2023 and 2025. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect Apple CarPlay to your Honda Civic model years 2023 through 2025. We'll guide you through each step quickly and easy. CarPlay from Apple is one of the most popular ways to make an Apple iPhone a direct part of your vehicle experience. With CarPlay, you can make calls, send and receive messages, use GPS navigation like Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze, and stream music or podcasts. It's designed to reduce distractions and make driving smarter, safer, and more connected. So if you want to know how to do it, follow these steps. And before we begin, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 7.1 or later. That's the minimum version required to use Apple CarPlay. And don't forget to enable Siri. Step 1. Connect the USB. Start by connecting the USB cable. Plug into your Honda Civic and the other into your iPhone. This will begin the connection process with Apple CarPlay. Step 2. Tap Yes on your Honda screen. When this message appears on your Honda screen, tap Yes. This allows Apple CarPlay to access your iPhone's information like message notifications and more. Step 3. Confirm pairing on your iPhone. Next, a message will pop up on your iPhone showing a pairing code. Tap Pair to confirm and complete the connection. You're now ready to enjoy Apple CarPlay. Drive safely and make the most of your connected experience. If CarPlay doesn't initiate, verify that your iPhone is unlocked and Siri is enabled. Try using a different USB cable or port. Restart your iPhone and the vehicle's infotainment system. And that's how you connect Apple CarPlay to your Honda Civic. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks. See you in the next video.